Alrighty. Here we go. Checklist. Alright. What does the checklist look like? Here we go. Oh, that's too loud. I got audio. I have audio. Which is good. And let's get the seat into the right position. Alright, YouTube. We are back here again doing some network testing on my alpha routes. And the next one that's up to bat is no other than T-Mobile. So T-Mobile is next to come up. Let's minimize that. As you can see, let's see. As you can see, I need to add this to it. I should have been ready, but I was trying to rush. And I need fast.com. Fast.com. Where is it at? There it is. Show you what we got. We are on T-Mobile. We are on standalone. And as you can see, my area for Washington, D.C. has AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon as a tie. We're questioning that today. AT&T so far is the better of out of two. Their video quality was kind of bad, but nevertheless they were able to complete the task, which was very good. Today we're doing T-Mobile. This is the last of the three. Let's see here. What do I got? Let's minimize this. So we're on my alpha route. We're taking this up 295 and ending at RFK Stadium. I'm showing you what the deployment is. So right now it's N41 standalone at 100 megahertz. And N41 again at 50 megahertz. And they're only doing 2 carrier aggregation here. Let's see what the speeds look like. Our fast was 350 megabits per second. So that means that we're probably going to get upwards over maybe 300 or 400. From the looks of it, it's going to be new AT&T. So for those that don't know what my testing procedure is, this is how it works. So the live stream runs at about 8 megabits per second over OBS, sorry. And to basically put it like this, if you can sustain a 8 megabit per second stream, then you're doing pretty good. So what I did before, I bonded all 3 carriers together just to get a baseline, and then now I have broken them out individually, and right now we're doing T-Mobile. We already did Verizon, and we already did AT&T. If you want to go back and look at those videos, they're in the playlist for Alpha Route. The reason why I'm going back and revisiting this again is because it's been a year since I did the testing on this route, and I wanted to see what the performance looked like for all 3. So right now, we're about to find out how it is for T-Mobile and see if there was any great improvements. Root Metrics says it's a 3-way tie. I question that, and that's the reason why I'm doing this testing. Right now, it shows that they're not really accurate, given the fact that AT&T was able to hold the live stream better than Verizon did. So right now we got to find out if T-Mobile can hold this live stream in the same route, same driving parameters as their counterparts. So I'm leaving this commuter lot. We're gonna jump straight on the freeway. Now with my testing in DC, so I use those for just testing, but I periodically pick those lines up and compare them to my T-Mobile line from time to time just to see if there's been any great improvements. And this is what spurred me to go back and start testing again, is because Verizon, I started noticing that Verizon's N77 was popping up more in more places. So this is me going back and retesting. So I have 2 other routes, and then the main route that I test is just going straight through DC itself, which is the mall. So if you know anything about Washington DC, it's the mall. It has all the monuments and museums on it. So high traffic area. People from different walks of life come there to congregate. So let's see, we're still green. So different people come there to congregate. So it makes it for a very interesting testing bed. So that's what makes it. I'm using that as the ultimate. Hey, DC is being dominated by which carrier? All right. So T-Mobile is being affected by this little pocket. The same spot that everybody else is being affected by. There's no tower within vicinity of here. I think there's a small cell. I think it's back behind me, probably a quarter of a mile. But all 3 are affected by this little pocket here. But what is this? 119 down, and is that 40? Yup. And we're still currently. What I've been wanting to know is what happens when the phone drops out of standalone like it just did. Does it go back into standalone? I have yet to see that do that yet, but now that I'm paying attention to it, it'll be interesting if they have progressed any further with their 5G core and allow switching from non-standalone to standalone. Alright, so right now T-Mobile's on band 2, 15 megahertz. N41 at 100 megahertz probably. Yep. And then another 50 megahertz. All right. Looks like we're still green on the board with OBS. Still looking good. Alright, so like the last 2 runs I did, we are starting to come into the what they call a null zone. Basically a cellular blind spot. Hit the speed test, let's see what it is. Alright, there it is. We are in the cellular blind spot. So all 3 companies are affected by this blind spot here. There's not just one company affected. All 3 are affected. So that lets you know that it's mandated for them to do that. I got like it's 46 down and 0.53 up. Coming to the interchange here. So when I did those all 3 aggregating with N41 100 megahertz, and we're just now getting ready to come in front of Homeland Security. Alright, good. We got a red light. With this testing also, we can go back and look at the quality of the stream. Went back and looked at AT&T. AT&T got the job done, but it was very choppy. Verizon was usable, but only when I hit pockets of ultra wideband. So once I hit N77, the stream got better. If I wasn't on ultra wideband, then the stream progressively got worse, which I think that's what contributed to them dropping the whole live stream altogether once I hit a bad pocket. Here we go. So we're getting pretty decent speeds from T-Mobile currently. Did it buffer hard? It looked like it buffered hard, but it stayed connected. OBS went red for a moment, and then it went back green. Doing some street work. Alright, we're getting ready to go back onto the freeway. Turn that temperature down because it's hot. We got 315 at about 74. By far, we're not hitting what Verizon was doing along this part. They were pushing 1.6 gigs at this location here. T-Mobile is averaging above 300. All right, so we're heading towards Pennsylvania Avenue. We got an error on that one. I'm gonna go ahead and get over here. I need to be in this lane to get off on the exit. Speed test failed twice. Is the stream still good? That's the question. From the looks of it, we're still good. But fast.com, not fast, but speed test keeps crashing though. That's not a good showing for them. Let's see what fast look like. Look like we're getting buffering on T-Mobile currently, but it's still connected. Go. Let's try it again. adjust it back there. And it's still not working. Speed test is crashing. Is that going to affect the live stream though? From the looks of it, it's not. So could that be an app problem, or is that a network problem? We still are broadcasting. Try it again. Still pull data. T-Mobile is not doing that for me right now. Let's see what fast is giving us. Alrighty. Do we still got connection? OBS just went red. And this is about the spot where Verizon dropped off at. We are near the DC jail. Let's see. Verizon fell somewhere along here. AT&T went past this point and went all the way to the end. So is T-Mobile going to be able to hold up? That's the question. Speed test is still failing. We're going to do fast.com because speed test is not working. And we're still continuously still on band 2. So we've dropped out of standalone, and we've held it. OBS just went red again. So what does it look like? Can we get some data? All right, so I'm getting way over 500. But it's acting like we got major congestion. And T-Mobile's not finishing a full speed test either, so I'll do fast again. so we're getting over 120 megabits per second on fast, but that's only download. I can't see what the upload is, but we are still buffering though, so that's not showing a good sign of network stability right now. I'm currently still doing this during rush hour, so this is the true test of a network, regardless if it's a whole bunch of people going home or you're trying to do a live stream during the time when everybody's going home. Alright, we're almost there. A couple of 100 more feet. Gotta merge in. And we are here. Alright, let's get a preliminary test. From the looks of it, Speedify is showing that there was some major drop-offs. From what I can tell, I have 100. And it's still crashing. So we're not going to be able to see what the data output looks like here for fast. Let's see what it gives me for fast. 700 megabits down. 25 milliseconds, and upload speed is 85. We was doing a lot of buffering for uploads to be 85, but we are at the end of the live stream. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we got more testing to do. I know I'm doing a lot more testing in my area, but I might try to come to an area near you. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good one.